and welcome to
The Lily and Lola Show.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Lola.
And today we're going to eat pickles with spicy Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning, great on anything, especially pickles, and it's very spicy.
Mixed with a little red ground pepper.
Okay, now we're prepared with water,
Cookies
and
gushers.
because our mouths are going to be on fire.
And I think we're going to be crying a little
So
bit.
here's the stuff. It's mixed together, and here's the pickles, and we're going to
Oh, I'm scared.
dip it, roll it around, make it spicy.
See, look at this.
Okay, on the count of three, we have to shove it in our mouths, okay? We have to.
Okay, all of it.
Show me yours.
Wait, you gotta put more.
No, I don't.
No, you have to put more. I do have a
Show
lot.
the pickles.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hot.
This way.
That is hot. You made it come out my nose.
No, you made it come out my nose too.
That is hot. My mouth still burns.
I know, mine too.
Wrap.
Thanks for watching.
The Lily and Lola Show.
Bye.
Bye.
Watch the David